Hello everyone and welcome to our first session on ReactJS, creating a React application. Building your first React application. Now, let's dive into building your first React application. We won't cover installation steps, but once you have the React set up, creating your first app is a breeze. First, create a new React project. If you're using Create React App, a popular tool for setting up a React environment with zero configuration, it simplifies the process significantly. Simply run npx create-react-app my-first-app cd my-first-app. This command sets up a new React project and navigates into the project directory. Once your project is created, you will notice several files and folders. Let's have a quick rundown of the most important ones. Public folder contains the HTML file and other static assets. src folder. This is where your React components and application logic live. You will spend most of your time here. app.js file, the main component that serves as the root of your application. Now, let's create a simple component. Open app.js and modify it to display a custom message by making the following changes. In this code, we import React, define a functional component named app, and return some JSX that renders an h1 and a p element. To see your application in action, run npm start. This command starts the development server and opens your application in a web browser. You should see the message, "Welcome to my first Reaction app," along with the paragraph we defined. Next, let's add more components to our application. Create a new file in the src folder named greeting.js with the following code. Then, import and use this new greeting component in app.js. By doing this, you can see how easy it is to break down your UI into smaller, manageable pieces and compose them together. In just a few steps, you have created a basic React application and started to see the power of component-based architecture. React's flexibility and efficiency make it a powerful tool for building modern web applications. Remember, what we have covered today is just the tip of the iceberg. React has a vast ecosystem with many tools and libraries that can further enhance your development experience. That's all for this session. Thank you.